Okay, hi, I'm Mary. I'm going to be showing you the Jayco White Hawk, so come around and follow me. Jaycos are a good unit. They have Goodyear tires, double axle, so that's going to help you for backing up and getting into those spaces. I really like this solid step entry as you come in. You come into a rear living area with lots of windows so you can look at the beach or whichever view that you have in the back of you. You've got your nice couch right here, which would fold out into a bed. Then you have this little dinette, which is cute. That would also fold out into a sleeping area. This is a really good counter space, double sink with a nice faucet here. This is a nice little addition that goes down all the way, and that's your outlets there. Here's your 3-burner range, your oven, lots of counter space, and also cabinets in this kitchen too, so you can store little goodies. Your refrigerator, which is a nice little upgrade. It's got paneling like it would be a cabinet, so nice little features. It's upgraded. Nice TV and a fireplace here. Then if you come back around here, you've got a nice bathroom. I like that they do a lighter exterior outside paint on the cabinets there, so it makes it a little brighter, and so you've got nice skylights, adds a little bit of extra light. And then in the bedroom here, you've got, this side has shelves and a wardrobe. That one also has shelves and a wardrobe. And then if you look around here, there's an outlet right over here, which is where you can put your cell phone. There's a nice little cubby there for you to put a book or water, your outlets for your charging devices. And this is the unit that I think that you would enjoy. My name is Mary. Please call me 406-850-4590. Thanks.